And Tallboy's not team iOS, so he told me I had to take over this article, all right? But for all the people who are Apple users, I gotta ask y'all, do you still pull out your credit cards when y'all make payments? Or do you do the tap to pay? Are you still old school and pull out cash? Or are you out there just saying, you know what, I like this tap to pay feature? Well, with the tap to pay feature, it hasn't really fully rolled out to a lot of stores, but a new vendor, a new store that everybody likes, said they are rolling out Apple Pay support. Home Depot, that's right, Home Depot said they gonna support Apple Pay. I can't believe this. Okay, well, we got something going over here. Let me see. This is the way the article reads. They say Home Depot has been a major Apple Pay holdout, resting pressure from its customers to add support for Apple Pay platform. Now, they said Lowe's, Home Depot's biggest competitor, began rolling out Apple Pay support last December. And it certainly seems that this move by Lowe's put pressure on Home Depot to change its strategy. Home Depot hasn't commented on the change in the policy, and the details of the rollouts aren't explicitly clear. Now, it says it appears to be a very gradual rollout that started at a small number of locations over the summer and has recently picked up momentum. Now, that means saying that you can now just pull out your phone and just tap to pay. Now, Home Depot is exclusively supporting Apple Pay at its self-checkout terminals, not hook up their credit cards to the phone, and then all they got to do is, as long as you got your phone, because you're going to have your phone wherever you go. You might leave your ID, you might leave your money, but you ain't going to leave your phone. Now, they're saying that Walmart is still Apple Pay's biggest holdout, and they saying that the company has shown no signs of changing its tunes. And then they said Kroger is the largest supermarket chain in the U.S., and they started supporting Apple Pay to all of its stores last year. Now, Walmart, they said that they're focused only on Walmart Pay and Walmart Plus. They saying they doing their own thing, they running their own race. So if you want to go to Walmart, you got to have Walmart Pay or Walmart Plus, because they ain't rocking with the Apple Pay. They not going to let Apple tell them what to do. The company attempted to justify its decision by making the bizarre claim that Walmart Pay is more popular than Apple Pay. Now, we all know that that's a lie, but, you know, don't say that to the Walmart executives. And people said that the shoppers are increasingly fed up with Walmart's lack of Apple Pay support. The question that I have for you is, what do you think of Apple Pay expanding into new stores? On your phone, let me know. 1, I'm loving this. 2, this is the new way to make purchases. 3, I'm surprised they weren't already in these stores. 4, it's okay, but I will pull out my credit card and use cash. Or 5, if a store doesn't have tap to pay, they are truly behind. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let us know in the comments, what do you think of Apple Pay expanding into new stores? Let us know.
It's the Lab Tech Show. Join us Wednesdays at 8 p.m. Eastern at thelabtechshow.com. Embrace it or get left behind.
Alrighty then.